Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video I'm going to show you something very powerful, very easy, extremely unique. You have not seen anything like this before, and trust me, this is going to change your life. 2025, one of the best thing you're ever going to see in this video. I'm going to show you a way on how to hit $1,000 days in commissions by doing something so easy, so unique that you're going to get the ha-ha moment. You're going to say, oh my word, this is so good, and you're going to love this video. Now, before I dive into this video, the first question I am going to ask you is, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? If you have, you're in a treat, because I did promise you that I'm going to come up with some of the best money-making techniques and unique videos to help you crush it online and make thousands of dollars every single month. So if you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, you're in a treat, because I'm going to show you some of the best ways to make money online and traffic generation. If you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then I'm going to pause myself for about 5 to 10 seconds. Go down and click the subscribe button right now, because I'm about to share something so powerful, so easy, so unique that this is going to change your life, and one of the easiest way to get up to $1,000 days. And you're going to see this and you're going to thank me for this, and you're also going to pray for sharing this, because this is normally not shared. I am sharing it with you because I want to help you make money online. So there you go. I'm going to pause myself for 5 seconds. Go ahead, click that subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Step 1. Step 2, click the share button and share this video with the people you care. It might help someone. Step 3, give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. And then step 4, once you have subscribed, leave a comment saying, yes, bring it on. That's the comment you want to leave. Yes, bring it on. And I'm going to share something so powerful, so unique, that's going to change your life. So here's a pause, 5-second pause. Go and do this right now. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Bring it on. First, subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. So here's a pause. Okay, so that was a 10-second pause. Thinking that you probably subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have, congratulations, you've made a great decision. You know why? Because my channel has changed thousands of people's lives. Okay, I am probably one of the first person to come onto the internet on YouTube, teaching people the insider secrets of making money online, showing them everything without missing a puzzle, without any kind of puzzles missing. Okay, I'm the, because all the other gurus were just teaching theory, do this, and when you do everything, you're still not making any kind of money, and you're like thinking, well, I just followed everything, I'm still not making money. There's something hidden, they're not showing you everything, there's a piece of puzzle missing. But I was the first person to come onto the internet, come on YouTube, and show everything step by step, everything. So when a person follows my step, he crushes it and he starts to make real money online. Okay, if you don't believe me, go and watch my old videos. Okay, 2-3 years old videos. You will see how I was sharing everything, and that's what I do. I'm here to help you. I want to see you make money online. So let's dive into this video. What is that unique method that I'm teaching? What is that unique software, that tool, that money making opportunity that I'm about to give and drop in this video that's going to change your life forever? Okay, now before I share this with you, a quick disclaimer. All right, this is some insider secret that I guess you have not seen anywhere before. You have not seen anything like this before. All right, Now, to get access to everything that I'm about to give you, I will leave a link in my description box below this video. I will also leave a link in my comment section box below this video. So if you scroll down, go to the comment section box, there will be a comment, pin the link. You could go there and check it out. Now, let me show you what this is all about. First of all, we're going to go to the program. Okay, so first what I'm going to do, watch what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to come here and click on create a campaign. Just keep watching. I'm just going to name this campaign for now. I'm going to name it like, let's just name it, let's leave this one, let's just name something like malware global. Okay, continue. And then we're going to find a zone here. So I'm just going to go with this one. Okay, 0.00001 cent. Let's just click that. I'm going to scroll down straight to the bottom. Okay, I'm going to click on continue. Okay, and then I'm going to choose the malware here. So let's see where I can find that. Okay, I don't see the malware one, so let's just do another one. Let's do this one here, AI browser. Okay, so I'm going to go for AI browser. I'm going to go back and change the name for my reference purposes. Okay, so very simple, very easy. I'm going to go here, AI browser, right, click continue, scroll down, click continue, and how much budget do I want to drive traffic to this page? Now you saw, if I go back, okay, let's go to that AI browser. Every time someone installs this browser, it's going to pay me $3.50. Every time someone installs this browser, it's going to pay me $3.50. Okay, let's click on continue. And now budget, how much money do I want to put into this to actually drive traffic so people can install it and I make money? So I'm just going to do $1 for now. Okay, just for testing purposes. Okay, I'm going to do $1. I'm going to click on create campaign. There you go, it's created my campaign. You can see the clicks here, cost budget $1, and watch what happens here. I'm just going to refresh this. Traffic has already started. Can you see the power? Traffic has already started. Now, every time someone installs this browser, I make $3.50. It's a CPA offer. What? Let me just refresh this again. 6 clicks already. Can you see that? This is the campaigns, okay? Look at this. This campaign got 17,289 clicks. This got 35,000 clicks. This got 269,000 clicks only for $26. This got 14,000 clicks for $14. This got 318,000 clicks for just $31. This got 134,000 clicks for just $13. Now you're probably asking, wait, what the heck? What is this, man? All this amount of traffic and clicks for pennies. Look at this. For $16, 164,919 clicks. I got 144 conversions. I made $37 in revenue, $20 in profit. My ROI is 127.02%. Okay, the green means I'm in profit. The red one means I'm not in profit. It's telling me everything. So whichever one I'm in profit with, I just have to put more money in and keep on going on. So it's making me more and more money. And the one that's in red, if it's not making me any money, I just switch it. I said, I don't want to put any money in this. I'm losing money. So I could see not one, because I just started this. So 1, 2, and 3 campaign has not been in profit for me. Okay. All the other one in green has been in profit. Okay. You could see the power of this. Right. Now, wait, let me just refresh it. Look at this. This has only got 6 clicks. Let's refresh this. Look at that. I got 21 clicks already. The traffic is instant as soon as you create a campaign. The traffic comes instant and you start to see conversions. If you see green, you're in profit. If you see red, you're not in profit. If it's in red, don't put any more money inside. Now let me explain what this is. You should know that people are installing apps, okay? These are apps. For installing an app, you get paid. You just have to drive traffic to get people to install the app. And you're making money from it. One of the easiest way to make money. Now, you're probably thinking, wait a moment, that looks good. That sounds good. This is so much powerful. How can I get access to this? I'm going to give you the link. The link is in the description box. The link is in the comment section box. And the link is popping up right on your screen right now. Okay, you can go to this website address and get access to this software. But before I do that, let me finish, okay? Can you see this? Account balance, $224. Total earning, $213.36. Can you see that? Okay. You know this account balance is free. It's not my money. Yes, you heard that right. This is not my money. When I bought this system, I was given this free balance to test drive this. That's right. That's the power of this. You're not just getting access to the tool, to the software, to the training, to this incredible, amazing money-making machine. You're also getting access to free $50 credit to test drive this. You're going to get access to this tool with free $50 in credit. And that $50 will get you over, according to what I believe, over 100,000 clicks. That's right. And then they have another option in the program that if you purchase that product, they will add $300 in your account balance to test drive this. You're not putting any money up front. The money is given to you from the creator to test drive this. What are you losing? Oh, I've already made $213. This is all money given to me from the creator. It's part of the program. When you buy the program, you get free $50 credit. But guess what? You have an option to buy another package where you can get up to $300 in credit. And I recommend you buy that because this is what you're going to get. Okay? Now, let me explain. All right? Not just that you're getting free balance. You're also getting the campaign. 5 campaigns upfront, ready-made to guarantee your success. That's right. The creator has already test drive these campaigns and he's giving it away. So when you buy the tool, when you buy the software, when you buy the training program, you're getting free $50 balance and you'll have an option to upgrade to get $300 balance. Number 1. Number 2, you're getting the tool to drive unlimited traffic for pennies, all done for you. Plus you're getting a proven and tested campaigns for you to launch instantly and start becoming profit from day 1. This is how you're seeing all this profit coming in. Green, 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 green. Are you ready to get access to this? It's a brand new way to make money online. What it is, people are being paid to install apps. People want to install apps. So you're driving traffic and every time someone installs an app, the creator of the app is paying you money. Your job is to drive traffic. Now you just have to create a campaign and the traffic is already driven for you. Let me just refresh this. Look, 21 clicks. Let's see how many clicks I got there. 54 clicks. So far spent only 1 cent. Check this out. Okay, so if you're ready to access this tool, this software, incredible software, before the doors are shut down, because over 1,000 people have already joined, I guess. So if you're ready to access the tool, this software, and you want to crush it like this, something like this, one of the best programs I have ever seen in years, then here's the link, website address popping up on your screen. Open up a new browser, go to this website address right now, watch the video, and go ahead and purchase it, because the door, I believe the door might shut down to this, because I think over 1,000 people have already joined this incredible program. It's one of the best opportunity I have seen in years that's come out, and I thought I would share it with you. Link in my comment section box, link in my description box, link popping up on your screen. If you want something like this where you have unlimited traffic at your disposal for pennies like 0.0000001 cent, and getting traffic to apps and CPA offers that's going to pay you huge, and learning from an 8-figure earner with done for you campaigns given to you that's going to smash it for you, and also giving you free account balance credit for you to test drive and start off. I highly recommend you get on board with this. I promise this is going to be a life changing for you, and you're not going to say anything like this anywhere else. Okay, so link in my description box below this video. Go ahead, get this software. You will not regret it. You're going to love this tool. You're going to love this software. Link in my description box, link popping up on your screen. Open up a new browser, go to this website address, and everything is going to change for you. See you in the next video. Oh yeah, by the way, if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do that now, because some incredible things is going to come your way. You're going to learn some powerful techniques. So if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, click that subscribe button. It's only going to take you 1 second, and it's not going to cost you a single penny to do that. So just do it right now so you don't miss out on the top opportunity.